all you lady dragons out there, it's me again, Jess, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're gonna jump right into it, but first I want to acknowledge the subscriber of the day. Thank you so much for leaving your comment. Let's clap it up for the subscriber of the day, y'all. Yes, I love that. And if you would like to be the subscriber of the day in the next video, make sure you leave a comment down below. Guys, so huge shout out to Wig Types. They did send over this unit. I will leave a link down below to their website and also to this specific wig on the site as well. Today we are getting into melted hairline lace front wig from Outre. This one is called Karmina, and I do have her in color DRFF Caramel Mocha, and she is 20 inches long. It's a lace front wig with the frontal effect hairline. So I'm guessing it's a lace parting. It has the lace in the parting space and a frontal effect. It does look like there's about 10 different colors in this wig and a lot of balayage colors, which Outre does to perfection. So this is what the unit looks like. Very, very cute. Two tiny combs on either side and an elastic band. We also have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. The lace color looks really good. I'm still going to tint it anyway, but it actually looks really good. And like I thought, lace parting and just a little bit of lace around the edge. I love how this color is looking. The texture on this hair is definitely a nice yaki texture, which I love. And I love the placement of the highlights in the front, and these soft curls look like this is about to be a bomb wig for fall. And when I come back, I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. So stay tuned. So right here, I'm using the Ebin Lace Tint Spray in dark brown. Now I'm using some hair cutting shears to cut in a zigzag motion to cut that excess lace. Lately I've been wearing my own natural sideburns, so I usually just tuck the wig underneath itself and grab a rat tail comb to pull out my sideburns. I use a black eyeshadow to go ahead and color in the lace because it does call attention to itself if it's not colored in. And I just go right up to my hairline with that black eyeshadow. Next, I add my normal foundation shade into my parting space, and then I add a darker foundation shade to the edge of the lace to blend into my forehead. I was in the mood for some baby hair, so I went ahead and pulled some hair out from the front of the unit. I plucked some of the hair away just using my fingers, and then I trimmed the baby hairs and laid it down with my own GLEEmade edge control that is available on Amazon Prime, and I will link it down below if you want to support your good sis and grab some edge control. My favorite hot pink hair comb. I grabbed my favorite hot comb and laid down the front of my hair and the middle part, and then I was pretty much good to go. I used a wide tooth comb to detangle this unit. It was very, very easy. I love the length of this unit. The color is bomb. It's so perfect for fall. I absolutely love this unit. The texture and everything about it. It photographs really, really beautiful. We did end up doing a photo shoot after this. I'll link some pictures, or you should follow me on my Instagram. I have a new Instagram. It's called Jess Fly Finds, where I definitely review all of my favorite purchases. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave links down below so you can check this unit out for yourself. Make sure you guys share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.